So, good evening. On behalf of the Ministry of Health and Welfare and the National Health Research Institute, I would like to express our deepest appreciation to all of our participants sitting until last minute. So I know we are running behind the schedule and it's getting dark outside. So I promise I'm not going to hold the microphone than 2 minutes. So first, I would like to thank our organized committee again, including Dr. Yan Yun, Dr. Zhang Dailong, Dr. Liu Junyang, Dr. Yang Zixin, Dr. Hong Wenjun, Dr. Hong Minqi, and also our VP, Dr. Xu Huiheng, as well. And I would like also to thank all of our working staff. Please wave your hands. And you really deserve a big hand. And the final sentence, I believe today's presentation all stands and very inspiring testament to the power of the knowledge, the dedication, and the vision to shape both our medicine and the community. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you.